What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix battery drain from location services on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, review location access for apps. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on location. Now here click on app permissions, and from here check the allowed apps that are allowed to use the location service. So if there is a unnecessary app that is using the location service, it can cause extra battery draining. So just simply tap on that app and disallow the app to use location service. So it will help you to fix battery draining issue from location. So now the second solution to fix this battery draining issue from location services is when you are not using location service, then tap on this location icon to turn off location. So you can turn off location from here, and you can also open settings, scroll down and tap on location, and from here you can also turn off location. So turning off location can stop using battery. Now the third solution for your issue is update all apps and your mobile software. So to update apps, open Play Store. Now click on your profile icon and then click on manage apps and device. Now click on updates available option, and from here update all the apps that are not updated to latest version. And after updating all the apps, go back to your home screen, and to update your mobile software, tap on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on software update. Now click on download and install, and from here update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile to latest version, the battery draining issue from location services will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.